Welcome back, everybody. Just wanted to do a little video update on replacing the cabin blower motor in my 5th gen 4Runner. I had already done the replacement before I went on vacation, but I wouldn't give you a little walkthrough on how to do it. I've known a couple people that have had this problem. This is the old blower motor. It still worked, but it made a lot of noise when it would spin. Real high-pitched whining. My wife never noticed it, but every time I got in the vehicle, it drove me nuts. It is a very simple process to do. It's mounted up underneath the dash. I'll show you here in a minute. It's just 3 8mm bolts and 1 power connector. First thing you want to do is pop this panel down from underneath the dash. Just 3 retaining clips that keep it in place and a little post on the back side. Sorry, there's not a real good way to get a video on get a video. Welcome to the video. Get an angle on this. All you need to do is get an 8mm or a Phillips, and there's 1, 2, and all the way in the back is the 3rd one, and then the power connector. Just to show you how easy it is, I'm going to go ahead and drop it real quick. I have no way to hold the camera for this, so bear with me. There's 1. Can't even see. 2. And 3. And it drops right out. New unit, old unit. Putting it back together goes in the opposite order. This is so much quieter. I picked it up from Bell Lexus when they were having their 4th of July sale. You can get it from Toyota with some of their sales for a little bit more, and sometimes you can even find it on Amazon from a third party for around the same price. I try to get all my parts from the dealership just so I know that they're authentic, but I can't really see this being something that they're gonna fake and sell a knockoff version on Amazon. But simple, really cut down on the noise. I will put the part number in the description if you have a similar issue to this. Hope the video helps. Again, thanks for watching.